Spicy one-pot chicken rice, easy, affordable, and delicious recipe. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a fantastic recipe that's not only delicious but also easy on the wallet, spicy one-pot chicken rice. If you're a fan of bold flavors and a quick cleanup, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this budget-friendly and mouth-watering dish. 1 pound, about 500 grams, chicken thighs, boneless and skinless. 1 cup long grain white rice. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, diced. 1 cup frozen peas. 1 can diced tomatoes, 14 ounces/400 grams. 2 cups chicken broth. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to taste for spice level. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley and green peas for garnish. Preparing ingredients. Let's start by seasoning our chicken thighs with salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Make sure to get those flavors all over the chicken for a kick of spice. Now, heat the vegetable oil in a large, deep skillet or pot over medium-high heat. Add the seasoned chicken thighs and brown them on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. While the chicken is browning, let's chop our onion, garlic, and bell pepper. These aromatic veggies will add a ton of flavor to our one-pot wonder. Now sautéing vegetables. Once the chicken is nicely browned, set it aside. In the same pot, toss in the chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Now adding rice and tomatoes. Time to add our rice. Stir it in with the vegetables until it's coated in all those delicious flavors. Now pour in the diced tomatoes and their juice, and give everything a good mix. Now bringing it together. Nestle the browned chicken thighs back into the pot, and add the frozen peas. Pour in the chicken broth, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley, and you're ready to enjoy a delicious, budget-friendly meal that's perfect for any day of the week. And there you have it, our spicy one-pot chicken rice. The rice is fluffy, the chicken is tender, and the flavors are out of this world. Here are some benefits of spicy one-pot chicken rice: easy, affordable, and delicious recipe. Convenience and time saving. The one-pot nature of this recipe means less time spent on preparation and cleanup. With all the ingredients cooked together, you'll spend less time in the kitchen and have fewer dishes to wash. Budget-friendly. The ingredients used in this recipe are affordable and readily available. Using simple, cost-effective items like chicken thighs, rice, and vegetables, you can create a delicious and satisfying meal without breaking the bank. Balanced nutrition. This recipe incorporates a variety of food groups, including lean protein from the chicken, carbohydrates from the rice, and an assortment of vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. It's a well-rounded and nutritious dish. Versatility. You can easily customize this recipe to suit your taste preferences. Adjust the level of spiciness by controlling the amount of cayenne pepper, or add extra vegetables to boost the nutritional content. It's a versatile dish that can be adapted to your liking. Family-friendly. The combination of chicken and rice is a classic and universally loved pairing. This dish is likely to appeal to a wide range of tastes, making it a great option for family meals or gatherings. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty upload. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, spicy one-pot chicken rice lovers. Cheap and good dish.